guys! How are you? So, it's been a long time na hindi ako nakapag-vlog kasi medyo na-busy po ako sa pag-prepare ng mga dokumento para sa aming pag-apply ng aking fiancé visa. So, finally, I just want to update you regarding for what's happening in my life this past few months na hindi ako nakapag-upload ng video. So, finally guys, I'm so happy to share with you that I'm already here in Manila and then I'm applying for the fiancé visa. My fiancé, Anton, he started to submit an application for K1 visa last December 2023. And then finally we got a response from the USCIS in VC Manila. So today I would like to share my journey of coming here in Manila from Mindanao. So I am from Bukidnon, and then now this is my first time to come here in Manila just to prepare all the documents that needed, and also what's that? Biglang nag-flash yung CR. Fun. Okay, anyway, maybe it's from the other room. So my schedule for the medical examination will be tomorrow, July 29 to 30. So for the medical examination po, 2 days po yung kanang processing upang matapos yung examination, as in a whole examination po bilang isang requirements sa K1 visa. So we started to apply from December, and then we got a response from the USCIS that was like March 2024, I'm not mistaken. And then after we got the processing, I started to prepare all the documents that are needed for the K1 visa. So don't worry, I will upload another video that could somehow explain how I'd prepare the preparation and what are the documents needed to prepare for the K1 visa. So for today, I just want to share na despite for all the things nga akong na-experience with my fiancé during the process, I'm just so happy to share that here we are finally. We're almost in the kanang kumbaga nasa tuktok na kami ng aming aplikasyon, kasi pagkatapos ng medical examination, I will be scheduled for the interview this coming August 13, 2024. So I came here in Manila. This is my first time to come here just to prepare all the needed process nga kailangan ko pong i-undergo. So first, I will have a medical examination, as what I said earlier, for 2 days, for July 29 to 30, and then after that, I need to wait for like from 30 like 1 week rather, 1 week and a half for me to attend my interview for my visa. So hopefully all the process will be positive and hopefully I will pass the examination kasi napaka ano um, napaka hirap po ng aming naranasan just to um, just to finish this application, no? Hindi po talaga siya madali, guys. Kaya napakatagal ko na pong hindi nag-upload ng video kasi napaka-busy ko po ng nag-prepare ng all needed documents para sa K1 visa ko at saka of course I'm not only focusing for preparing the preparing the papers for the needed documents. I'm also working, so medyo na nahahati yung oras ko between sa work and then sa pag-prepare sa lahat ng mga dokumento na kailangan sa aming aplikasyon. So, I'm just so happy to share na finally I will be able to schedule for the interview and for the medical. So I just hope and pray na I will pass the medical examination. Then after, I will also pass the interview for my K1 visa so that Anton and I will be together soon. Hopefully before this year will end ay magkasama na kami together. So anyway, I have the documents here for tomorrow. So I'll just give you a short kuan lang kung ano yung prepare ko, no, for my medical tomorrow and for my interview this coming August. So ito po yung ko, guys. So I have here a brown envelope. So nandito yung ko. Ito yung nandito po yung mga dokumento na kailangan ko ipakita for my medical. I will upload a new video other video that will explain what are the documents needed for the medical examination and then what is the kung anong center ang kailangan niyo pong puntahan para sa medical na examination ninyo. So, ito yung brown envelope ko. Hindi ko muna i-explain kasi maggagawa ako ng video na naka-specific doon kung ano ang mga documents na kailangan ko. At saka ito yung mga dokumento na kailangan kong ipakita during my medical during my interview. So, marami po talagang mga documents ay kailangan nyo pong ihanda kapag kayo ay nag-a-apply ng K1 Fiancé Visa. So, yun lang muna, guys. And then, I'm happy na finally, hopefully, I'm excited na hindi ko po maintindihan kung ano po hindi ko po ma-explain kung ano po yung nararamdaman ko kasi sobrang happy at napaka-thankful ko lang po talaga na finally we are almost na sa aming aplikasyon. So, that's all for today. Anyway, nandito pala ako ngayon sa I'm in my rented hotel. So, nag-check-in po ako dito para sa aking medical examination for tomorrow. So, yun lang po, guys. See you on my next vlog. And then, hopefully, okay lang po ang lahat. At God bless po. I'm happy to share my journey. And I'm happy to share yung mga update ng buhay ko for this coming months. See you at my next video. Bye!